Bollywood has been rocked by yet another mysterious death, and this time the news is coming from Kolkata. There was one actress by the name Arya Banerjee. उनका real name था देवदत्ता Banerjee. She was the daughter of late सितार maestro called Nikhil Banerjee. Friday के दिन उनके घर से उनकी लाश बरामद हुई. She was living in the posh Kolkata neighborhood, and she had appeared in a couple of Bollywood movies and done some modeling assignments back in Mumbai. But most of the reports suggest that she was actually one of the strugglers in Bollywood. आर्या बैनर्जी हैड वर्कड इन ओनली 2 बॉलीवुड फिल्म सो फार, और दोनों ही फिल्में बालाजी टेलीफिल्म्स की थी. एक थी लव सेक्स और धोखा और दूसरी थी द डर्टी पिक्चर स्टारिंग विद्या बालन. दोनों फिल्मों में उनका रोल बहुत ही छोटा था. Now, according to Kolkata police, she was living alone in her house and she had a dog with her. उनकी domestic help के मुताबिक she wasn't somebody who was mingling too much with the outside world. She would almost always keep to herself. The forensic experts claim that she was bleeding from her nose and she had also vomited before she died. पुलिस का कहना है कि उनके घर से बहुत सारी दारू की बोतलें भी बरामद हुई, और उनकी डोमेस्टिक हेल्प का ये कहना है कि जब वो वहाँ पर पहुँची फ्राइडे को तो दरवाज़ा अंदर से बंद था एंड आर्या बैनर्जी वॉज अलोन इनसाइड. बहुत देर दरवाज़ा खटखटाने के बाद भी किसी ने खोला नहीं. सो फाइनली शी अलर्टेड द नेबर्स हु देन अलर्टेड द पुलिस. जब पुलिस ने आकर दरवाज़ा तोड़ा तो देखा तो आर्या अंदर मरी हुई मिली. Apart from her late father, not much is known about Arya's family. But one thing we do know is that her sister lives in Singapore. Just like Sushant Singh Rajput, who was only 34 years old, Arya भी सिर्फ 33 years की थी. And she had been working in Bollywood and struggling rather for quite some time now. कुछ reports के मुताबिक she was also doing not only some TV assignments, but she had appeared in some episodes of Saudhan India as well. हाँ, पर एक बात ज़रूर है, सुशांत सिंह के केस की तरह कोलकाता पुलिस ने सीधा ही इसको सुसाइड करार नहीं दिया है. दे हैव कॉल्ड इट अ मिस्टीरियस डेथ एंड दे आर ऑल्सो सेइंग दैट फाउल प्ले कैन नॉट बी रूल्ड आउट. हालांकि इन्वेस्टिगेशन अब भी जारी है, लेकिन द इन्वेस्टिगेशन कुड गो इन ऑल डायरेक्शंस. अनलाइक सुशांत सिंह केस, जहाँ पे मुंबई पुलिस ने पहले ही इसको सुसाइड करार दे दिया और फिर इन्वेस्टिगेशन भी उसी रूट में आगे बढ़ी थी. नाउ आर्या बैनर्जी इज़ येट अनदर विक्टिम ऑफ द नेम एंड द फेम एंड द प्राइस दैट यू पे to achieve these things in Bollywood. And if you don't get it, or if you don't get as much as you want it, आर्या की तरह हज़ारों youngsters मुंबई आते हैं almost on a daily basis to make it big in Bollywood. But very few achieve the kind of name, fame and success that most of them aspire for. And Bollywood is an extremely cutthroat place. This is not the place for weak-hearted, and this is definitely not the place where you can survive without being successful. My heart goes out to her family and friends and all the people who loved her. This was not the age for her to die, and this is certainly not the way anybody should meet their end. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like my content, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and thank you so much for watching.